This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about serving bowls, specifically these Voga melamine serving bowls. In the white melamine, we have a couple of different styles to show you. There's the 128-ounce square orb, which you can see has this lovely rippled design and that nice curving little arc to the sides there for a lovely, aesthetically pleasing modern presentation. You have the 60-ounce large round with the inclined face, and that one's going to give you a nice, sleek, almost vertical presentation with a really modern feel. The 22-ounce wide round with inclined face gives you a more open presentation, so it's really great for items that might be a little bulkier during service. It makes them really easy for your customers to reach. And then finally, we have the 45-ounce square bowl that has that really nice trapezoidal shape to it. It's got really clean, crisp lines for a very sleek, modern presentation. In the black Japanese style, we have the 15-ounce round freeform in the black stone, and that has a nice matte finish to it and a soft organic shape to that bowl that just lends a sense of nature to your displays. We have the 27-ounce round large faux stone bowl, which has an almost satin finish to it. It's got those lovely ripples in it that have a nice little change in how close they are, so it gives that nice feel of a drop of water on the surface of a pond. We've got the 27-ounce large speckled faux stone, and this one has a nice little light speckling to it that just gives you that feel of natural stone or rock. And finally, the 53-ounce rippled bowl with the faux granite rim. And you can see this one has that nice satin finish to those ripples and a nice kind of organic feel to it. And then it also has this nice lighter colored rim with that faux granite. These melamine bowls are great serving options for both indoor and outdoor dining. They're BPA-free, scratch-resistant, and dishwasher safe and shatterproof. You've got a wide variety of shapes, styles, sizes, and finishes available, meaning there's a perfect option out there to suit your needs. You've got choices of neutral colors between the black and whites, meaning that they're going to go with just about any setup and be a really versatile tool. They can be washed in the top rack of the dishwasher for really easy post-event cleanup. They're not microwave or oven safe, so they're not best for items that potentially need to be reheated during service. They're perfect for things like side dishes, entrees, salads, desserts, and really anything you can think of. They're going to be great for the presentation of family-style meals, for buffets, or just for use at home when you're entertaining. The melamine is lightweight and easy to carry, and you don't have to worry about the possibility of breakage with these since they're not glass or porcelain, and you don't have to worry about cleaning up any broken glass, which is super. So these are a great reusable option for cafeterias, restaurants, buffets, catered events, and they're a perfect long-lasting option for serving pieces.